Welcome to Big Daddy Storytime. We're reading Transformers Rescue Bots. Reading Adventure, Book 4. Meet Blades, the Copter Bot. Attention, Rescue Bot fans. Look for these words when you read this book. Can you spot them all? Helicopter, volcano, lava, switch. Earth is very strange to the rescue bots. Blades is having a hard time in his new home. On Cybertron, Blades was a land vehicle. He had wheels. But here on Earth, he changes into a helicopter. Helicopters do not ride on the ground. They fly. Blades is scared of heights. Blades has to be brave and fly so he can do what Optimus Prime told him. Blades' human partner, Danny, loves to fly. When they are flying together, she pulls hard at his controls and yells at him. "Hurry up, Blades," she says. "Go higher." Cody gets his family and the rescue bots together in the bunker. He wants them to like and respect one another. Blades and Danny try to be friends. Do you have any hobbies?" asks Blades. "Flying," says Danny. Blades does not like this answer. Just then, the town's fake volcano starts erupting real lava. Lava is rock that is so hot it flows. It can burn anything in its path. The team leaps into action. Blades and Danny need to fly into the crater and flip a switch before the volcano explodes. "Oh, can you be more gentle?" asks Blades. "As soon as you learn to fly," says Danny. They need to fly fast and high. The flying is scarier to Blades than the lava, but he flips the switch. "We did it," says Danny. Boom! A cloud of ash bursts from the volcano. Blades can't see a thing. "Fly higher," yells Danny. "Which way is higher?" says Blades. "Talk nice to Blades, Danny," says Cody from the command center. Danny and Blades work together to get away from the ash and lava. They are happy, but the emergency is not over. The lava is heading down the tunnel towards Cody. They need to cool the lava and turn it back into rock quickly. Heatwave and Cade try to stop the lava, but the tanks run out of water. There is a huge water tower nearby, but the ash cloud is in the way. Only Blades can get there in time. "The ash may hurt your rotors," says Danny. "It is worth it to help Cody," says Blades. With Danny's help, Blades soars through the smoke and picks up the water tower. Together, they save the day. We did it, partner, says Danny. They both feel very proud. Blades finally feels at home. What have we learned today? We have learned from Blades that when we overcome our fears, we become brave. Also, we have learned from Cody and Danny that friendship can overcome our fears. Have fun rolling to the rescue. Be sure to like, favorite, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more Big Daddy Storytime. Be blessed. Bye bye.